David Stears window and rain gutter cleaning in Lompoc, California. Need your rain gutters cleaned? Give us a call, 878-1107, serving the Central Coast. We clean most of the second story without a ladder. We'll vacuum it out. You can see what I got right there. You can see the suction, how it's holding it. Here's the root system. So anybody in the Santa Barbara, San Luis Obispo counties need your rain gutters cleaned, give David Stears window and rain gutter cleaning a call, 805-878-1107, serving the Central Coast for 30 years.